So what I did is I painted a pumpkin, and the pumpkins look like these, okay? It was a little set of 3 pumpkins. I think I got them at Target about 5 years ago, and I took this one and I painted it. I'm gonna do these also, but I really want to focus on one for you guys. I'm going to use Posh Chalk metallic paste, and I'm going to use Waverly Ballet Slipper, okay? I'm gonna go over the pumpkin with the Waverly Ballet Slipper. I really like how this pink is kind of muted. This is called Black Carbon.
Black Carbon?
Yeah, that's what it's called. Posh Chalk Metallic Paste. It is a paste, okay? It works amazing with your stencils. It also can be watered down. Let me grab my water. And I am not being particular on how I do it, because the finished part is what's going to count. Okay, so that is our base. Okay, and you're looking at it and you're going, that's kind of messy. It is, and it's okay. We will go in and we will fix it. Okay, first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna take this ballet slipper and we're gonna straighten our lines, okay? Just kind of straighten them. They don't have to be really straight. There you go. There you go. All right, so here is Radiant Silver Metallic Paste. I'm going to use this as a paste, okay? And let's do.
Remember, trust the process.
Yeah, we're just working.
Trust the
through it.
process.
A little bit. You might have to dry brush some of that on. Love this finish on this pumpkin. I have Totally Dazzled.
I should ask this more often.
I want to find the front of my pumpkin, what I want my front to be. I think that's my front right there. So I'm going to figure out where I want these. And the easiest thing for me with this being having that little area.
Okay. Her area of
So there's that.
her area of New Zealand's known for.
I have 2 more charms. And you know, I'm kinda not wanting wooden beads. In fact, not even kinda. I don't want wooden beads. I want these charms to hang from my pumpkin. And in order to do that, put our charms on this. Okay, I've got some wire. Now I've got my charms on this with the bead. Okay, that's called a crimp bead. We're gonna put them back on there. Okay, so there's our Totally Dazzled charms on this instead of wooden beads, we're gonna have these pretty glass beads. Okay, so now I put it back through that print bead. So
Yeah,
this
that's
is
heavy.
just a little, instead of doing wooden beads, hold on, let's look at one more thing. And then we're gonna finish this up. Let's look at one more thing. I do have some ribbon here. You guys, B7000, that's it. Totally Dazzled sells it. Oh my goodness, this kind of came out a little different than I expected. I want just a little sprinkling of some bling in the middle of this bow. So I'm going to use the biggest rhinestones I have. Oh my gosh, I am in love with it. These are the colors. I think she turned out darling.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.